How to log into Discord account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Discord account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to launch the Discord application in a mobile device, or you can simply visit their official website, that is discord.com, using a browser. After you open up the application, you will have two options in your interface. The first one is to register. That will help you create a new account. So if you don't have an account yet, you can press it with register, then follow the on-screen instructions. Since we want to log in into your account, then tap on login button. Then you'll be taken into login page where you have to enter your email or phone number that is associated with your account. Under that, type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your password, then there is a link provided that says forgot password. Tap on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that will help you recover your password. So once you're done typing your login credential, all you have to do is simply click or tap on login button. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, then you may have to complete the verification process. Once you're verified, you will find yourself logged into your Discord account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.